as you can see, we had some beautiful snowfall last night. Well, it's the next day, and you guessed it, we had another snow day. My work was closed again, so I'm working from home. I'm sad because I don't get to see all the kids, but kicking around snow is fun. We have like, oh, dang it. Now my phone's covered in snow. I dropped my phone in the snow. Now it's all wet. Oh, it smells so good in here. Once you go outside and come back in, I'm gonna have to take a walk later. You guessed it. Snow day number 3. Washington can't hang. We're getting a little cabin fever. I've been here in the house since Sunday. Cheyenne has left to go to work twice. Martana's left a couple times, but I have not left. So don't throw it at me, bro. You better not throw it at me. So this is my first time out. We're going to the store. So we're running out of groceries, man. We're running out of groceries. So here we go. Trip to the grocery store together, roommate edition. So we went down to the mail earlier, and this whole road was clear. And then it started picking up snow, lots of wind. It feels a little blizzardish. So the town where my work is, oh cute snowmen's. Town where I work in is Soust, guy. They're losing power. The whole main street's covered in ice. Both highways leading there have had the most accidents this week than it's had in a while. So working from home, it's another beast that I gotta conquer. So anyway, we're hungry. We need more food. So that's why we're going to the grocery store. Clearly, we're not going to the grocery store to get lumber, Chloe. Stupid, dumb idiot. Lumber. Picking out some drinks to stay cozy and warm. It's 5 for $5 avocados at Whole Foods. By the time you see this, it won't be. So, not helpful for you. Wow. I'm looking at the snow from inside here. Guy, it looks beautiful. Am I on the East Coast? Wish I was. Call me, East Coast, if you want to see me. Martana is the official one in charge of the list. Cheyenne is the one
that drove.
She's the one that is. She made the list. She drove. She's taking us where we need to go, and I'm steering the ship. I was gonna say that she's steering the ship, but I'm the one steering this ship. So, thank you. Got the goods, boys. Yeah. I have not moved my car in 3 days. Incredible. We're making margaritas. Yes, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but who cares? I'm making a pizza.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere, always. And the snow is beauty moss. Don't I look beauty moss? Thank you very much. Here's my little propagations growing, in case you're wondering. My avocado's doing incredible. If you remember from the summertime, if you're a true fan and you follow along, if you're a fake fan, it's okay. We forgive you. We'll keep you updated as it goes. Queen doesn't like everyone working from home because she doesn't get alone time. But that's okay.
She doesn't want a long time.
She wants to be with her friends, right, Queen? That's my kitty voice. What'd you say?
She wants a little brother.
She does want a little brother. Comment down below if we should get a little brother or a queen.
She doesn't